Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're doing a Jamaican-inspired low-carb dense bean salad with seared salmon. And let me tell you now, this one is clean, but it does not play about flavor. First things first, let's talk about this salmon. I'm keeping it simple but bold. I'm seasoning it generously with Spice Jamaica Under the Ocean seafood seasoning. That's it. No extra, no long talking. This seasoning already understands seafood, okay? A little olive oil and we're heading straight to the pan. So if you're using skin side down first. I took the skin off, so don't touch it, don't rush it, let that get crispy. That's where the magic happens. Flip it. Once it's finished cooking, it's gonna be golden, flaky, and juicy, exactly how the salmon should be. Set that aside and let it rest. Now let's build this dense bean salad, because this is not a sad salad. This is a meal. I'm using a small amount of beans and just enough to give it body, but we're keeping it low carb. So I'm going to add cucumbers for crunch, red bell peppers for sweetness, red onion for a bite, scallion and fresh thyme, very Jamaican and very intentional. Oops, I forgot to tell you what beans I am using. So I'm using half and half. I'm using half black beans, a portion, and half red kidney beans. Okay, we're still keeping this low carb. By the way, if you reach this far in this video, please go ahead and subscribe and like my video, share with a friend, okay? If you're using avocado, go ahead, cut that up. You don't have to add the avocado. I will have the recipe in the description box below. Now for the dressing, we're using olive oil, Dijon mustard, and lime juice, and a little agave syrup. If you don't have agave, you can also use honey. Give that a good mix until everything is nice and combined. And let me tell you, this dressing is so delicious. Okay? Now for the star of the show, we're going to flake our salmon. Do you see how that salmon looks? That's seared salmon, and I didn't even use the skin. Drizzle your dressing over your salad, and then you are going to combine everything. Give it a good mix. Don't mix it too much because you don't want it to be mushy, right? Look at that salad. Guys, come on, please try this recipe and let me know down in the comments below if you have, what you think, and tell me where you're watching from, okay? Now, I'm going to add a little bit more of that Spice Jamaica seasoning because, okay? So, again, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.